In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Polymarket and how to make money. Polymarket is a platform where you can bet on any global event. If you are interested in sports and you know who will win, then you can make money on it. If you are interested in politics, then you can bet and make money from it. If you are interested in cryptocurrency and you can predict the rise or fall of cryptocurrency, then you can place a bet to make money. Polymarket is all about predictions and bets, so there is a risk of losing money if your prediction is not confirmed. Trading will not let you lose all your money, but you can earn a lot more on predictions and bets if your bet is confirmed. Now I'm going to show you how to create an account, place a bet, and then get paid. To create an account on Polymarket, click on the Sign Up button and enter your email to register. Click Continue and memorize the numbers to confirm. Open the email and message from Polymarket. Enter the security code to log into Polymarket. After that, enter any name and agree to the terms and conditions of Polymarket. After reading, there's nothing new other than what I told you at the beginning of the video. Polymarket is not responsible for your predictions and you may lose or gain money. After completing the registration, select your profile. Your stats will be shown here, how much money you lost and how much you earned. Your statistics and your bets can be viewed by every Polymarket user. You can also see how much other users earn on Polymarket, or how much they lose on Polymarket. It all depends on your skills. In order to place a bet, you need to deposit your account. Select the cash of your account. Now I will show you how to fund your Polymarket account. After registration, you will receive a personal USDC address for depositing and withdrawing money. If you do not have cryptocurrency on other exchanges, then you can fund your account with a bank card, or use USDT or another cryptocurrency to deposit. I bought USDC on the Binance exchange. And now I will send USDC from Binance to Polymarket. Copy your USDC wallet address from Polymarket. After that, select USDC on Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange and click Withdraw. Paste your USDC wallet address from Polymarket and select the Polygon network, because Polymarket accepts USDC on the Polygon network. After that, enter the amount you want to send to Polymarket and click Withdraw. The money has been sent. Go back to Polymarket and select Confirm Pending Deposit in the Deposit section. After that, the deposit amount will be credited to your Polymarket account. Now I will show you how to place your first bet on an event and make money. You can bet on sports, politics, or even cryptocurrency. I prefer to bet on cryptocurrency. You can select and sort events. I chose the Bitcoin price prediction for December. This event will end in a few days. I analyzed the growth of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency and decided to bet yes at 90,000. Don't forget to read the rules. Under each price, the rules may differ. I decided to bet $5. If I win, then I'll get $16. But if I lose, I'll lose $5. I have $14 left. You can view all your bets in portfolio. Select this event. Here you will be able to see the end date. If you want to cancel the bid, then select this event and click Sell. To get the money back, you need to sell the shares, but you will receive an amount less than you staked, because the commission of the Polymarket transaction will be charged. Now I will make another bet on Ethereum. At the moment, the price of Ethereum is falling, so I chose no and bet $5. This event will end faster, so the profit is small. The longer the event, the more you can earn. The third event will end a little later, so I chose no and bet $5. If I win, then I will get more profit. Because these events are longer in time, I made 3 bets on Polymarket. So let's wait until all 3 events are over and see how much I earn or lose. A few days later, my first bet was confirmed. I won and now I can take my earnings. After the event is over, you need to open a bet and click Claim Winning. It was easy, and my amount in my wallet increased. A few days have passed, and I can see the results of the second and third bets. One of my predictions did not come true and I lost. I made a mistake because I didn't read the rules. I should have bet no on $90,000, but I bet yes and so I lost that $5 bet. The last prediction was confirmed and I won. I can collect the winnings, almost $9. As a result, 2 bids were confirmed, but the third bid was not confirmed. Therefore, I lost almost nothing and received the same amount as at the beginning, after replenishing my account. I have recently been using Polymarket, so for a beginner it is an experience. I got back all the $18 I sent to this account, but now I will show you how to withdraw money from Polymarket. I will show you how to get the dollars you earn if you have one and want to withdraw money. On the Polymarket homepage, select Cash. There you will see your amount that you can receive. To get this money, click Withdraw. You need to enter the USDC wallet address on the Polygon network. In order to get a wallet address to withdraw money, I will use Binance. After registering on Binance, you need to select the wallet icon and open the spot section. Search for USDC and select it. Click on the Deposit button to get the wallet address. Select Network, Polygon. After that, click on the Get Address button to get the USDC wallet address for replenishment. Copy the address and return to Polymarket. You need to paste the copied address in the Withdraw section. After that, enter the amount you want to send from Polymarket to Binance and click Withdraw. The money will be sent to Binance. Below the wallet address, you will see the status of the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, open the spot section. There you will see the amount you sent from Polymarket to Binance. On Binance, you can convert USDC to USDT or to another cryptocurrency. If you want to get this money on a bank card, then use the P2P method. I will leave detailed instructions in the description under the video. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.